Hello, guys. So, couple things. Number one, I greatly apologize. Today was a rough day for Miss Berry. I messed up my blog post. I had it scheduled for May the 16th instead of April, so it didn't pop on. There was a mess up on the quiz. It was a lot. So I apologize for that. Then I realized that I have been dating things wrong, and I went back and changed 4 dates. And I'm like, wow, as if all of this isn't confusing enough, I'm really not helping the things. So I will definitely try to do better. And I really appreciate your patience. I do love your emails. So don't think when I send something like, no more emails about the quiz. It lets me know that y'all are out there when you're doing stuff and you're paying attention. I just sent that so that you would know I got it and I know that something's wrong and I'm going to fix it. Also, I love the emails that I've been getting about your grades. Just so you know, it was a very long process for me to take all your grades that I had been keeping on a spreadsheet and then moving them from that to Synergy. I had to sit and handwrite all of the grades from my spreadsheet. So that's 8 per student at 150 kids. I had to write them all down and then re-enter them because I do not have a printer at my house. So there is definitely a larger margin for error. So if you are missing something that you think you turned in, please let me know. I have all my stuff. I can go search my emails. I can look in my reminds. If you submitted it, I can find it. So just let me know if something's off and I will take a look at it and put it back in for you. So today is technically your day off for social studies. I am going to post a little virtual field trip that is just like a video that if you want to watch it, you can. You don't have to do anything with it, but we're supposed to be providing you with some activities in case you want things to do on Fridays. However, if you don't want to, you totally do not have to. So as promised, I'm a little behind on my shout outs, but I have been thinking about you guys a lot and I'm wondering how y'all are doing. The quiz grades look good, by the way. So I'm going to give a couple of shout outs today. So for first period, what I was thinking today, I wonder if Kate Bagley sits there real quiet and all serious, like she's not paying attention, but sort of is laughing at herself and laughing at all the buffoonery that's happening around her. I wonder if Jack Piles throws stuff and sticks it into his own ceiling. I kind of think not. I'm wondering if Noah Thornton is still wearing the hat with the furry ear flaps. Like, is it necessary? Is he cold? Is his ears freezing? I don't know. I wonder if Mary Grace has came up with new ways to braid her hair with all of this quarantine time off. If you have, I'd love to know them. And last but not least, I wonder if Hayden Ellsworth is still laughing at Casey Swan's jokes that he was telling, what was it, 4 weeks ago when we saw each other last? Anyway, still thinking about you guys. Hope is all as well. I hope you enjoy your 3-day weekend. We'll be back at it on Monday. I did make a review video for you guys yesterday to go over the quartz and the Venn diagrams, but after I looked at the time, the video was like 10 minutes. You had to take a quiz, then you had to take the notes. I realized that's way more than 30 minutes, so I decided to save your video review for Monday. So that's coming on Monday. Plus, I'll also add a form for you guys to ask me any additional questions that you have about the judicial branch. Excuse me, I just drank a seltzer. You can ask me additional questions that you have about the judicial branch, and I will answer those. And I am still grading your Build to a Law projects. I know y'all are like, what's taking her so long? She has all this free time. It's not as much free time as you think. And it's really hard to go through and open all the emails and do all the projects. And I have a rubric to the side and I'm writing notes for each one. So I know why. If I've taken off points and you ask, I can tell you. So anyway, it's kind of a longer process than you think, but I will have those put in by early next week. So I appreciate all of you who are working and still working hard. I know this is really difficult and it's a little hard to be motivated, but I appreciate you. I appreciate your emails and your Edmodos and your reminds and all of those things. Miss you guys, and I will talk to you on Monday.